Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, January 12. Health Minister Horace Dalley is insisting that health insurance companies will be required to pay for services delivered to their clients at public health facilities. Minister Dalley says government has been underwriting the entire cost of healthcare since 2007 when user fees were removed at hospitals and health centers. But he says that it's not the users, but rather the health insurance providers that have been benefiting most from the policy, saving millions of dollars in payouts.
So we are subsidizing the insurance companies. Well, that stopped. When you come to the facility, you're going to be asked, do you have a health insurance? The insurance company will have to pay their portion, not out from your pocket, We're not going to take your portion. We're going to take the insurance company's portion to help the facility.
Minister Dalley made the announcement on January 8 at the signing of a Memorandum of Understanding for the upgrading of the Alexandria Community Hospital in St. Anne. Meanwhile, the health minister says more persons will be trained to go into communities and educate the public about the various health threats.
If we are not informed and educated, then anything can happen to us. It is our duty to inform the public about what is happening on the state of our health care.
Minister Dalley pointed out that under his direction, a program was recently launched to train 1,000 young people as vector control workers, targeting Zika virus public education. He said a previously started program to train community health aides will also continue.
It's just this few months ago, former Minister Ferguson and Permanent Secretary Harvey and their team, they trained 500 health aides, new health aides, health workers, community health aides. And we're going to train some more to put them out in the communities.
Government has partnered with the private sector as it prepares to launch an island-wide public awareness campaign on cybersecurity. Main stakeholders are from the banking sector. Speaking at a JIS think tank session this morning, Science and Technology State Minister Julian Robinson said the campaign was part of efforts to create a robust cybersecurity framework to protect Jamaica's online space.
The activities that we have undertaken include sharing tips on how to maintain safety online via social media, using Twitter, Facebook, and email. The proposed continued publication of articles in the media regarding cybersecurity awareness, partnering with ministries, agencies, and departments for the promotion of cybersecurity awareness on their websites and their social media campaign.
Meanwhile, the Bankers Association says this collective approach is necessary given the constant threat that faces online operations.
We recognize that individually, member organizations cannot tackle this by themselves. So we sought to first of all come together and then to join with the government in the effort to sensitize the nation, because make no bones about it, the greatest defense in this, is public education. That is the greatest defense.
The Child Development Agency, CDA, has commenced the rollout of a child case management system, CCMS. The web-based system, valued at approximately $58 million, is equipped to deal with placement and client information management, the management of medical and academic records, as well as court processing. It will also deal with adoption, general care planning, and the management of intake service and customer services. It's to be rolled out in 3 phases over a 3-year period. Chief Executive Officer of the CDA, Rosalie Gage-Gray, says so far the agency has completed the first phase, which deals with demographic information and the management of intake and general care planning. The CCMS is part of a broader technical upgrade at the CDA to better manage the data pertaining to the care and protection of children in state care. And finally, the Jamaican Foundation for Lifelong Learning, JFLL's Adult Education Center in Savannah, Lamar, has been upgraded at a cost of $4 million. This was made possible through a joint partnership between the Sugar Transformation Unit in the Ministry of Agriculture and the European Union. The 3-classroom facility was officially opened on January 8. In addition to the classrooms, the project included the refurbishing of a computer lab and the installation of 11 computers and related equipment. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.